Our kitchens is one of the most important rooms in our homes, and keeping things tidy and neat can be challenging for a lot of us. Whether you're organizing a cabinet or a drawer or a storage area, the organizing process has to be practical, and I have 5 functional solutions that will save you a ton of time and headaches in the kitchen. Rev-A-Shelf pan and appliance organizers can do more than keep your pots and pans and appliances neat, and I've had my system for years, and I promise you it will be an investment that you will not regret, you guys, I promise you. Our daily pots and pans are conveniently under our cooktop, and it's very easy to access. The top rack has my lids, and under the lids are my smaller pots. The other side has my Dutch oven that I use almost daily, and I keep the lids together so I can just grab and go. In our island, we like to keep our small appliances like our slow cooker, our toaster, our blender, our rice cooker, you know, all of it right here. Again, it's very easy to grab and go with the convenience of having an outlet right in our island. This is a base cabinet pull-out 2-tier wire basket that's a back saver. No more reaching in the back of the cabinet. Just with the pull of a finger, you can easily get to your appliances. And on this rack, I keep our blender here, and I still have room to place our blender attachments in a clear bin next to it. It's very convenient of having everything right in one place when I need it. Another important must-have, make sure you have a utensil drawer organizer. It doesn't have to be fancy, just functional. But if you want one like this, you can grab one from IKEA. Be sure to place a drawer liner inside to keep the organizer from moving, and IKEA sells them as well. And while you're there, grab a knife organizer for safety reasons for sure, but it will also help to keep your knives sharp. I've shared this Rev-A-Shelf food storage organizer about 3 years ago, and it's been such a game changer for keeping our food storage containers organized. This system slides out so there's no reaching to the back to grab a container, and the top rack has an adjustable divider for your lids. And there's even a pegboard at the bottom so you can customize your containers. We also added a 2-tier rack for our glass containers for our leftovers, and the bottom are my mixing bowls, and I still have room to grow. And for your pantry, try using food storage containers for your dry foods. And I've tried several over the years, and I found that OXO Good Grips Airtight food storage containers are really the best in my opinion. And I stress my opinion. Now, they do cost more, but over time, they will pay for itself because of the quality, and your food won't go stale before it's time. And if you want to take it a step further, add peel and stick letters to identify what's inside, and you can get them from any craft store. I will provide a link in my description box to all of the organizers shown. The night before, I set the coffee pot and our almonds to go with our oatmeal or yogurt. And this is off subject, but have you guys tried the new Coffee Mate Snickers Creamer? Oh my god, it's so good! What a way to start your day with your favorite candy bar. And this mug is from the flea market, and I will be getting back to blogging at other flea markets, so be on the lookout for that. If you're not on my Instagram, I would love to have you. Just go to Be My Guest with Denise and hit this blue follow button. I do share inspiration almost daily that I really can't do here on the tube, and I would love to have you. And if you're looking for a quick read, you can join my blog at BeMyGuestWithDenise.com, and I hope you guys have enjoyed this video. I will have more on the way, and I want to thank you all for watching.